Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 11, our earth and its neighbors. In last class we discussed about the earth. Today we are going to learn about the movements of earth. Okay, so page number 89 open children and keep the finger. Movements of the earth. You like to play with the top. You know the top. Okay, you people knows this top. Most probably all will play with this top. How does it moves? You know that. You will tie here thread and it will throw on the earth and it will spinning. Why it will spinning? Like this way it will move. Like this way it will move. Okay, but very fast it will move. Like this way. Fast it will move. The earth also spin like a top. Then earth also it will spin like a top. The movement of the earth on an imaginary axis just like a top. It is like a imaginary axis. It will touch to the earth and it is a imaginary axis. It will move like a top only, but not speed. It will move slowly. Is called as a rotation. Now how top will move, you can see here. This is the top, it will move like this way only. It is known as a rotation. The earth spins from the west to east. The earth spins from the west to east. The earth's axis is slightly tilted. The earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours that make one whole day. The earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours that makes one whole day. Earth want to do completely one rotation means it will require the 24 hours. 24 hours is equal to one day. Next, rotation causes day and night. Due to the Earth's rotation, each place on it is sunlight of a part of the time and in darkness for the rest. Due to the Earth's rotation, each place of its in sunlight for part of time and it is in a darkness for the rest. At any given time, one half of the earth faces the sun and it has day light. When the earth has turned around, the same part is it will go in a darkness. Now listen here, consider this is a earth. Whenever it will move like this way, okay, this half part it will face towards the sun. Now here back the light is not reaching, okay, then here this side it will be day is there and back side it will be night will be there. Again when it is taking the rotation like this way, it will slowly it will rotate like this way. Again it will become a day, morning, okay, it will become a morning and this side will be day and this side will be night. I hope you understood. Consider this is the earth. It is taking rotation like this way. Slowly it will take the rotation. Very slowly it will take rotation. This side will be day and back side will be night. Again it will take the rotation. Now this side is a day. Now it is taking again it is taking rotation. This side will be day and back side will be night. I hope you understood this. Due to the earth's rotation, each place on its in a sunlight for the part of the time and in a darkness for the rest. At any give time, one half of the earth faces the sun and it has daylight. When the earth has turned around, the same part is in a darkness and it has a night. Same, it will following from the since many years ago, day and night it will be there only. Okay, the day also sun will be there and night also sun will be there. But night what will be happening? Earth is taking the rotation. Okay, it is taking rotation. Then sun's light it will not reach to us. That's why backside will be night and front will be day. Okay, I hope you understood this.